Instagram story, no music result found. Don't worry, here's the fix. But before that, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. So the first step, you need to open up your Instagram application and make sure to log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be able to see this interface or the home page from where you will be able to explore to various newsfeed or posts. So in order to create a story, you can either swipe to left or you can tap on your story option at the left upper corner. After that, you can select a story from your gallery by tapping on the photo like option at left bottom corner, or you can also click over here, and by doing that your story will be set. So in order to insert a music on your story, you have to tap on the smiley like option right next to the text at the right upper corner, and here is the music option. Simply tap over there, and right now all of the music are available over here. You can also switch to browse and you can select the music from over here. But if you are unable to find any music over here, then that might be due to one reason. So for fixing it, you have to follow one settings. For that, you have to go back to your home page. You can discard this story right now, and you have to go back and you have to tap on your profile at the right bottom corner, and simply tap over the 3-bar horizontal line at the right upper corner and simply go for settings and privacy, under which you have to scroll a little bit where you'll be able to see account types and tools. Open it up and you'll be able to see switch to professional accounts. So you need to switch your personal account to professional account. For that, tap over there and you have to go for continue, and once again you can go for continue. And after doing that, you have to select your categories for changing to your personal account to professional account. You can select any over here. You can go for blogger or something and you can tap on done. If you want it to be displayed on profile, then you can tap on display on profile over there and it will be displayed. Over here you can simply go for next, and once again you have to go for continue. And if you want to set up your professional account, then you can set up, otherwise you can simply tap on the cross icon at the left upper corner and you will be able to see your professional account. And by simply switching your personal account to professional account, you will be able to fix your problem. You can go back to the story section and you can go for the music, where you will be able to see your music list over there. So this is how you do. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.